But y'all see it. We got Martha finally getting a nice, good bubble bath today. It was about time. Y'all see them big 6-piston Brumbos on there? On them bigger monies. You know, I keep the rim lady working. My boy IJM pulled up on me. Okay. Well, you know it's a syndicate lifestyle. Well, this thing ain't been cleaned up in about a month. Contaminated my paint. I'm gonna have to get one of them ceramic coats on here. Uh-huh. Man, August the 10th, man. Y'all already know how it's going down. Key to the city, baby. Make sure y'all pull up on me. If you ain't no big dog, man, stay on the porch. Bring them big dogs out. Where them big dogs at? All that big talk. Don't bark and don't bite. Ain't that right, Wes? Tell them don't bark and don't bite now. You know what that means. Cause we gonna pull them out. We gonna pull them out August the 10th. Where the city at? What they say, the Met, right? Boy, they say they got the hardest in the Met. Y'all know I'm from that show me state. This light work. This light work. But that other one though, this light work. This a copy and paste. With the roof. It's pretty much a copy and paste donk right here. You know what I mean? Just a good clean driver. LSA supercharged. 6L90 transmission. 26 QA1 suspension. Mini Cooper sunroof. What's up, Jizzle? Oh, shit, he finna spray that Windex on there. It's glass time. Woo-wee. It's glass time, baby. My boy done brought the car spa to me. My baby getting a spa. Nice little rub down, massage. Getting her toes done. You done brought the spa to me, man. Make sure you shop my guy out, man. Y'all need y'all stuff cleaned up. Y'all already know when it's showtime, we got to look good. We'll be hitting quite a few of them this year, man. We got a busy, busy summer. It's gonna start in June. What that is there?
Ooh, it's that honey I shrunk the kids, man.
Boy, boy, that stuff look like antifreeze. Ooh, you put that antifreeze on there. You say, man, y'all already know how we coming, man. Whips by Wade, we'll be pulling up June the 22nd. Dope Girl Nay, June the 29th. We definitely bringing the whips out. July the 6th, I'm in Augusta. July the 13th, I'm in Augusta. Shh. Man, we all over. Gonna definitely have the collection out. Oh, look at that. Watch that massage. Ha ha. This old scalp massage. My boy been waiting to watch this one. He been waiting to watch this one here. Magna Flow exhaust. It's a good little daily driver here. Man, I'm out, man, in a minute.